am going to pick a new winner for the Crochet Workshop magazine. I picked a winner, but the winner did not claim the magazine. This was about a week ago, so I'm going to pick a new winner. You can find this magazine on Amazon. I'll link it down below. And thank you everybody for subscribing and participating in this giveaway. All my other promotions are listed down below. I have 2 books for sale on Amazon for crocheting, crochet page and group on Facebook, and Etsy mugs for crocheting, and my knit crate. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Andrea Dinette, if I said that correctly. Congratulations. Please contact me with your information. My email is listed down below. And thank you everybody for participating and subscribing, like I said. And if this person doesn't contact me, then I'll pick a new winner in about another week until I find a winner. Okay, so thank you everybody.